Vlogmas Day 2.
So today, I don't know what I'm gonna eat today. So let's have a look in this closet. So no, I don't want that. So this I feel like eating cake. So we don't have any baking tin, so I'm gonna get one right now. So I'm gonna try to get a baking tin. We'll come back. So it's been a while, people. So let us see what's gonna happen. Girl, you're my queen, majesty. Don't you know you are my queen?
Yeah.
You have baking tin? You have one? I want them one the other one. Eh?
The brown one. This.
I mean, the ask boy say where mother. Say boy.
Your grandfather did.
So unfortunately, camera just act like you want, behave like you want act silly. So finally get two baking tin. So now I'm gonna jump back in and I'm gonna jump back on the yard. Do some baking. You know, so stay tuned for that.
Kevin's being my technician guy today. Hey boo.
What's up?
You good? You getting through?
Yeah.
You come back up?
I figure so. In time the router I connect my phone to your router. So in time they pick up on my phone, you know, say it have internet, but no I pick up. So I try one LAN port, one port, and two of them need one. I would router will carry one port. So it will be a problem.
Why did I wear this man so often?
Well, my phone I work.
Oh, come up. Okay, I don't know.
I know that, but you have to have the router.
Okay. I'm setting up a little thing here. Later on I'll tell you guys about it. Not now. Yeah. We're supposed to do some baking, huh? Today we are going to be baking. We've been baking cake mix. I think Kim showed you in the previous clip. So I wanted to do it a little bit later on. So that's what we're going to do a little bit later. So yeah. So we'll see how the day's proceedings go as we try to do this Vlogmas and all. So we'll see how it goes, alright? So Kim is going to be the baker for the day. Hold on the Kim. Alright, boy, I use the all that you make.
I don't know either.
No man, you can't make all late. So we're not going to eat toffee.
Me, I'm having a cake. Smell nice?
It smell like banana lasco. No, Kim, so that come on.
What?
Don't do that. Put that in there.
Why?
Because you don't want cracky and then the shell go drop in at this. Babus! Oh my gosh.
You know you
Alright.
You have to spoil at the moment. Tell me one bus two of them together. This way though, are you cast at one over and nine?
Alright, since you're a big chef.
No, but I want some stick of butter.
Butter in the fridge. Not one whole stick, but
One stick of butter.
butter in there. And you need oil, remember that. So you did a whisk away.
You want to taste it?
And you want, I don't know, please.
You don't taste it, step up, yo. You don't root, yo.
We never know because me always say, Lord, it look like it tastes funny. The butter. But you know, when time I start to do my own thing, then I realize it tastes actually good.
When you throw the flour in it, you know, the flour and the I think
Put oil in it, Babu, see oil. Obviously.
I was not take my headshot.
It's just an eyeball, not sure. Yeah, put flour in there.
No.
I always put flour in there, man.
No, stretching.
I always put flour in there if we make it get a little bit body more, cause
Same amount of flour there. Give me that no add nothing to it. Add
no. They say flour.
add egg, oil and water.
We don't know what to see today, so I just see raw stuff you have this. So.
It's a lot thick in the mirror if you add the water.
So you need the water and the flour.
Why you did flour? They never seen no flour.
But they're not if you have say flour, if you put flour in if you stretch it. Take out your bucket.
You don't want to stretch it.
It's a bucket and cook there. So. Anyways.
Somebody mash up me. They call it.
Why turn off it?
Somebody mash up me sitting there. So if I use my common sense, try to get this water and leak out. But
which one I bowl them out? Which one I send them?
that's it. Remember, I come with this side.
We're gonna use this little one here. Might have to go greasy.
Try one little carver to make one man carver.
That needs some flour.
You need to more of that.
Bubbles.
Bubbles.
Alright then. Use your leg. Gosh. You couldn't split in a two. That's how I did this.
Boom, now even flour. Flour in it already. One more flour one. White flour, put no white flour powder. You know, a brown flour. Because they might make really healthy. And you want to change it?
I don't brown flour that. I just see the color the banana-ish.
You see, that's Rakisha, she don't want to eat healthy.
That's not a herb.
All she want, men are going to buy food.
That
She
look.
all by herself when she come back. When I box fries.
Because I like fries.
She has to buy like a broccoli, cauliflower.
Nobody not sell that came, so don't come to me with no broccoli or cauliflower.
Most, I don't order.
You mean in a restaurant? No. Nobody now do that.
Alright. Grease the pan. And you know, saying at the end of the video, see you turn it upside down the grease.
I submitted the video, it don't matter upon this account.
You sure? Oh, make sure you know, because I know what I say. May you follow. As me say, what type of Christmas tree you guys want? Because Rakisha
I know you guys want our we want.
No, Rakisha said white.
I said white in the beginning because it just looks so nice in our place, but realistically we can't get one white Christmas tree here. It's too dusty, and by the time I look, the Christmas tree turn black because of the amount of dust and dirt and thing.
Let's pour. Give me a mug shot now. You're not enough in it.
Yeah, I think I'd be so strong for.
Maybe I'm like, you sit first.
No.
What
you mean? That can't be. We be the dinner.
I dinner is one cooking class Sunday. We now do know. Stove are light one time for Sunday.
And we don't tell that now.
I tell you.
Must be mad.
You have to have some rooms in the house.
Empty empty days.
I'm your boss. I'm your boss.
Which boss?
Yeah.
Bastard.
Yeah, manager.
Wee!
Yeah, manager. Yeah, manager.
Okay, I don't understand what you're talking. That not remotely possible. So
Yeah, general manager of the house.
Anyways.
So me own of the house. So I'm the boss.
Which house?
The house of yeah.
House of where?
I'm from Kryptonite.
Alright. So when this thing here bake up, smell nice. And I start bake it. So when it finish bake up, then we show the end results of it all. That is what's going on. Then we have a cook Sunday dinner. Because that is dessert. I know some people are saying
So I'm adding a little flavor to it.
oh mercy.
So this is frosted flakes. I've never tried this before. I don't know the results.
This is weird.
I've just tried it
before, but I'm not going to object because
at the end of the day, nothing can go wrong because it's food. I'm not putting enough there, just little fill in the blanks, you know. So I'm going to put on top anyway. So I see when you have little icing in, if you add the right rock and Kim.
Alright, nobody put too much in it, you know. Oh, it's a good that weird. But we'll try still and see how it works. Interesting. What do you think? I wouldn't think about that, honestly. I would not. So yeah. Boop, boop, boop. Yep.
Ready?
Good to go.
Alright.
That's good. Still on because Jesus Christ.
On the back of your phone, you're going to want to plug your power in right here. Ready?
Who's that?
So now the phone is plugged into power. It's assembled. The next step is we're going to want to connect it to your internet connection.
Why you have read this one?
The internet. So in this case, I'm going to go ahead and use the smaller cable because the phone is close to the router. You should have a very similar setup at your home.
Okay, so the chef has done a wonderful job today making this beautiful cake. Will it smell very, very nice? No. I'm gonna taste it. It smells so good. I'm gonna taste it.
Don't use that. Use this.
To the bottom of your phone first.
So I'm gonna slice.
You can't you're right if you wait till it's some cool, you know, cause
Getting flux on?
no, but you can actually wait though. Like you don't watch it. Look, watch the steam come off of this. You don't need this to hot, big man.
You don't need this so hot.
Me no want nonsense about that.
Me not get none.
Cause me know you always do that.
Me not get none.
You always say hey, and try before you see in my mouth. Babos, I know you not taste it. Me not like when people do that, you know. It going in your mouth and even reach your taste bud yet, but you dem you create excitement and all that. You always do it. You always do it. You. Remember with the man cool and nice, so me know it. Me know it is. Then taste any different? No, it tastes not different. Because I bake them bake too. Watch him. Extra read all about it. So this is the cake. Frosted flakes and oil and swap.
So to milk to it.
Why?
No, you get frosted flakes this too.
Alright, so this I'm gonna stay right here so. Cool. Left it. Come, no, never say no. Cover it. Every second I see him come around here, so. Jesus, goodness of grace. So the rest of this are left for me, not true, Kim? It can't be yours. Cause we only take a small. Alright, me take this a little roll right here, so. You recite a Kim. So you see, well left for mine. So that is what is left of the entire cake that we just made. So it tastes good still. So you can't really complain about it. So right? Stop squeeze me up. Alright guys, so I think this is where we're going to end this vlog. It was a good day today. We had fun baking. I hope that you guys really enjoyed it because some of you have been asking for like cooking videos and stuff, so I hope this is a good start to our cooking series or whatever you may call it. So I thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll definitely see you tomorrow. Hopefully it will be a good one as well because we are going to work and so I'll see you guys in the next vlog. So bye, see you next time. Say bye.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.